Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple but beautiful and tasty pasta with ham, cream, garlic and some Parmesan cheese. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we have for this really easy pasta. So I've got some ham there, which I've shredded. I've cut it into nice thin strips. I've got some cream there. Now, regarding cream, you can use any cream, a thick cream or a runny cream, up to you. Here I've got some frozen peas that I've put into some water. Here I've got some peppers, these little peppers here. They've got a little bit of chili to them, just a tiny amount. You can just use regular bell peppers or something hotter than that if you want. Some celery, just chopped nicely there. One onion, or regular size onion, sliced. Some Parmesan cheese, oregano, and some garlic. Now, I'll put all the measurements for this in the text below. Obviously, we're going to use some pasta, so get your pasta cooked because we're going to be really concentrating on the sauce. Then we're going to add our pasta. You can be using any type of pasta you want. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Okay, so we've got a pan here of some sort. I've got some olive oil that I'm using. You could be using something different. We're going to drop in our onion, our celery, our garlic, a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And we're going to let this go for about 3 to 4 minutes on and above medium heat. Okay, so this is coming together beautifully. This is very, very simple, this dish. We're now going to add in our peas. They're my frozen peas that I just put into some water. We're going to put in our peppers. And like I say, you could be adding something a little bit spicy or just a nice sweet red pepper. And we're going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Wonderful. Okay, let's now get in our ham. If you want, you could be using some bacon if you want. I've just got this kind of regular ham that I've cut into nice thin strips. We're now going to add in our dried herb. I'm going to use oregano. And again, 2 more minutes on this kind of fairly lively heat. Okay, we are really nearly done. I told you this was easy. Okay, we're now going to add in that cream. Like I say, any cream that you like works. If you want a little bit of white wine, now we're going to add some grated Parmesan in the mix there. We're going to give this a little mix. Yeah, thick or thin cream works just as well. Lovely. Now we're going to add in our cooked pasta, your pasta of choice. In that goes. 2 more minutes on this lively heat. What we're doing now is just getting our pasta involved in all those lovely flavors. So keep it moving. Get the pasta in, on and around. That's it. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. That's it, super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below. Check out all our social media. There's loads of that on the go, Instagram, Facebook and the website and everything. Easy peasy. Lots of love.